At first glance, this animal looks remarkably familiar. It weighs between 3 and 6 pounds, roughly the weight of a domestic house cat. Yet beneath that small frame lies the hunting precision and lethal instinct of a leopard. Its primary hunting grounds are the cloud forests of Central and South America. These high-altitude environments are defined by overlapping vegetation and near-constant mist, creating severe visibility constraints for any animal moving through the trees. On a map, the Oncilla occupies a massive footprint, spanning from Costa Rica down through Brazil into northern Argentina. But when researchers plot confirmed sightings, that vast footprint shatters into isolated dots. It remains one of the least documented felines on Earth. Part of this scarcity is due to its neighbors. The Oncilla shares its habitat with the ocelot and the margay, spotted cats that are larger and more frequently observed, often leading to mistaken identities. Biologists refer to it as a cryptic species. Because it looks so similar to its larger cousins, many historical sightings were likely misidentified as juvenile ocelots or margays. This elusiveness is a highly effective survival strategy. By mastering the art of staying completely unseen, the Oncilla has remained largely invisible to modern biological study. The Oncilla's spotted coat functions as advanced optical camouflage. In the uneven light of the rainforest canopy, the complex rosettes break up the animal's silhouette, causing it to dissolve against the foliage. Its senses are tuned to the darkest parts of the forest. Oversized ears act as satellite dishes, picking up the high-frequency rustling of small rodents, while its eyes process the minimal light that reaches the forest interior. Its skeletal structure allows for precise movement in a canopy. A lightweight frame paired with a long tail provides the counterbalance needed to navigate thin, swaying branches that would not support a larger predator. This agility allows it to target a specific diet. The Oncilla hunts tree-dwelling rodents, reptiles, and birds that live suspended high above the forest floor. This diet defines its niche as a micro-predator. By focusing on prey weighing only a few ounces, the Oncilla utilizes an ecological layer that larger carnivores ignore due to the low caloric return. Every feature of the Oncilla is a specialized adaptation to the Micro-Canopy, distinct from the biological requirements of its larger relatives. Hunting small prey requires significant space. The Oncilla is strictly solitary, requiring a vast territory to find enough food to sustain itself throughout the year. To manage these territories without direct conflict, they communicate through scent marking and low-volume vocalizations, establishing invisible borders in the dark. If you enjoy exploring the hidden details of the natural world with us, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Secrecy is also the primary defense for their offspring. Kittens are raised in heavily concealed dens within thick vegetation to avoid detection by other predators. This caution is a necessity for a predator of its size. While it is lethal to a tree frog, it remains a target for the forest's largest residents, such as jaguars and harpy eagles. Its survival depends on a difficult ecological balance, acting as a ruthless hunter of the canopy while remaining small enough to hide from those who hunt it. The Oncilla provides top-down regulation for its ecosystem. By controlling the populations of rodents and birds, they prevent these animals from over-consuming the seeds and undergrowth that regenerate the forest. However, this system is fracturing. Clear-cutting and expanding roads are dividing the cloud forests into smaller, isolated islands of habitat that are too fragmented to sustain a healthy breeding population. These isolated groups are then further strained by the illegal wildlife trade, which extracts cats from already vulnerable forest pockets. Protecting the species is difficult because data is scarce. Immense research funding is typically directed toward large, charismatic felines, while small, cryptid cats receive a fraction of the attention. International conservation bodies are working to address this gap. Recent taxonomic updates from the IUCN aim to officially classify and protect the Oncilla, though these plans must often be built from incomplete records. Human expansion is systematically altering the cloud forests faster than researchers can map the Oncilla's biology. Habitat protection preserves the many interconnected relationships that define the cloud forest. To save the Oncilla is to save the undocumented complexities of the natural world. our understanding of these animals is still evolving. We now know the Oncilla has specialized ankles that can rotate 180 degrees, allowing it to grip tree bark and climb straight down trunks head first. It remains a brilliant phantom, holding its ground in the shadows of a vanishing world.